I start the recording here as soon as I reckons.
Okay.
Okay, now it's about 3 seconds, so now it's like recording. So what I say is, this is mission 9, experiment number 6. We have 2 robots here, Shiner and Porterhouse. They're going to go follow the lollipop-shaped GPS motion script. And we have a first-person cam on the second robot, which is Porterhouse. And I'm going to turn it on right now. Alright, the first-person cam is now running. Again, this is mission 9, experiment 6. The main difference between this experiment and the previous one is I've decreased the speed to 1.5 meters per second from 2.5 meters per second. I want to see how decreasing the speed changes the swerving and halting behavior of these robots. So both robots are ready to go now. I come back to my laptop. I'm going to start the client. The client has started. Motion scripts have been sent. And the first one should be on its way. There it is. That's Shiner. And the motion script is 1.5 meters per second, so you can see it's going slower. And another thing is it is not running in a halting behavior. So it's the fact that it's trying to get up to 2.5 meters per second that's causing the halting behavior. Again, this is mission 9, experiment 6. So in just like maybe another 10 seconds or so, the second robot, okay, never mind, the second robot has already started. And both of these robots will now be traversing the lollipop-shaped GPS motion script. This is mission 9, experiment 6. So right now the first robot is going towards the waypoint 2, whereas the second robot, which is Porterhouse, is at waypoint 1, and there's a 4-second pause there. So both of these robots seem to be running pretty well. I think for the next experiment we're going to try to push up the speed to 2 meters per second. What was interesting is during the previous experiment, experiment 5, neither of the robots reported any motor safety messages, despite both of them running in a halting manner. So I wasn't sure if that's because I forgot to recompile and reinstall the player Proteus driver, so I did that. I also reprogrammed the microcontroller in case I forgot to reprogram that. So these 2 robots should be using the latest code with the motor safety messages. Although they're running so smoothly right now that I doubt the motor safety messages would be sent anyways. I'm going to hand this camera to Michael Zhang. He's going to take a bicycle and look after these robots.
Okay.
And he'll keep reminding us that this is mission 9, experiment 6.
You want me to just say what happens?
Yeah,
just the details.
Your observation, just talk.
Wow, it's high.
You have to keep a record of what you observe and hold the camera as steady as possible.
Yeah, can I lower the seat?
Yeah.
Is the red one's the record button, right? Excuse me. Here's Porterhouse. Seems to be functioning normally. Let's get a closer look at this guy. This guy is Shiner. Looks like everything's going fine. like he's driving a little bit close to the edge here. And he stopped. Hopefully he's going to maneuver around this. Looks like Porterhouse took a little break. He stopped moving and isn't continuing to move. Shiner is continuing to roll. Let's follow up. There he is. Looks like Porterhouse is either dead or he's been shut down. We'll have to make sure what happened really when we get back to base. I'm going to turn this camera off. This is mission 9, experiment 6.